All right, so just to recap of what we talked about in today's live stream. Dollar potentially continuation to the upside after the strong move during the NFP. Today was a ranging day. It looks like that market is gaining some momentum now at the end of the trading session, and I could still see price moving to the upside, looking for dollar index eventually to get closer to that level as a target for these longs. There is liquidity above these highs, so that's something that I want to pay attention to, see if tomorrow during the trading session we're going to have some sell pressure above those highs, or if price actually breaks and continues as a breakout setup in here. It's basically the opposite on the euro dollar, pound dollar as well. I really like this level in here on the euro dollar that I talked today during the stream for a potential long, so that's a little bit where I'm going to be looking for, and the same thing on the pound dollar. Looking at the yen pairs, I'm looking for more sell opportunities, which means this one a little bit more to the upside. I would love to see a retracement and then a continuation to the downside on the dollar yen, euro yen, pound yen, and so on. Some of those yen pairs already moved much more than the others. For example, Aussie yen, pound yen already moved much more. Euro yen, dollar yen, they're reacting from a really nice level on the left side, and I'm looking for a potential sell in there. We also have Aussie dollar, New Zealand, that they are being quite bearish at this point, so potentially retracements after such a big momentum to downside in the last few days. I think that could be also a possibility, but we first need to see some kind of confirmation that the buyers are starting to be present in the market. Dollar CAD on the other side has been quite bullish, and that's another one that I'm going to keep tracking to see a potential weakness and some kind of retracement. I like those trades. Indeed, not really trading completely against the trend, or at least respect that we are in a bullish momentum, but I think there's going to be opportunities to look for some retracements after price takes an important high on the left side. Looking at gold, I'm not interested, it's still in the same range. Crypto also a little bit more to the upside with Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So price respected perfectly from the demand zone that we talked about last week, and now apparently actually is moving to the downside. But the initial move was good. Bitcoin, I was looking for price to maybe go slightly higher, but this one is not much neither in there. Nasdaq and the indices, there you go. Now it's breaking to downside, right? It doesn't really change anything from what we mentioned last week. Looking for potentially price to fill this price, and those marks in here in green, they are literally levels that I'm looking for potential reaction. Price already reacted from this level. That there is still that one at the highs. S&P the same thing. As soon as you break below this low, I could still eventually see the potential for price to fill all this compression in here. And S&P same thing. Like S&P is already moving all the way to fill all this compression. Again, we have this price, we are bearish. That's our vision on our bias on the US indices. And that's basically just finishing with oil, that I'm looking really for oil to potentially react from those highs slightly higher, so let it continue to go a little bit more to the upside. I need to start seeing some weakness. I need to start seeing the sellers wanting to be involved in the market, otherwise I will just let price continue to move to the upside. But I think there's going to be a potential selling pressure as price gets closer a little bit more to the upside. So with that being said, guys, thank you very much. Feel free to join the stream. I stream every day at around 7 p.m. to do my pre-market analysis. Feel free to join, and let's look for opportunities together in the market. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.